What's up?
Hey, Pops!
I'm right here. We got another box, huh? I like when you get boxes.
So, do you know what is in it?
This looks like,
Yeah, be careful. It's fragile.
this looks like some kind of a tank. A water tank, oil tank. What other kind of tanks are there?
A lot of tanks. Like, the old tank.
It's a gas tank.
Not any old gas tank. From
tank for gas.
Dorman. Wow, look at that thing.
Dorman.
And then you got your gaskets.
You got the sending unit too?
No. Not only the sending unit, but the straps.
You got the straps too?
Oh. From Dorman.
You're gonna have a brand new Camaro when you're all done.
Oh yeah, this is for the Camaro, by the way.
Yeah, baby. Okay, well here, let's knock it out. Let's put it in.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Alright, this is my old trunk pan, and I gotta get these studs out for my straps. I need these, so I gotta loosen this nut. When it's loose, I'll be able to slide this out, and I'll be able to put it on my new floor pan, but I gotta heat up this nut first.
That's what I always say. Never throw anything out until the job is done. You got a wrench?
Exactly.
5 aces? Yeah. Why did you should have got a ratcheting sucker. Okay. Like butter.
There you go.
There you go. Looks like a carriage bolt. Yeah, they're supposed to be bent. It's supposed to face towards where the strap is. Now go cool them off, both of them. You gotta clean them up. Wire brush those things. Nice, nice.
Alright, now that these are out, I'm gonna put them into my new floor pan, which go right over here. See that? See, this is a carriage bolt they refer to, and it's got like a little square on top. So when you go tighten this nut, this stud ain't gonna turn. So now this acts like a jam nut. We're gonna tighten this so this stud doesn't dance around. And then when you put your strap in, you put another nut and washer, and this acts like a jam nut. Alright, see? That jam nut is gorgeous. See that? Beautiful. Now we can put our tank in.
Okay, all the way around. Okay. Here we go. There we go. This goes like this. With a hammer and a screwdriver, you gotta lock it in. See this all the way in here?
Alright, let me go grab it.
Go ahead.
Alright, now we gotta grab this and turn it.
You have to be able to check. Make sure it's not loose. That's a good seal, see?
Beautiful.
Nothing's moving around. It's not loose at all. All right, you want to go put it in?
No.
Let's give it a shot?
No.
Why not?
You need to stay hydrated.
I got a water someplace. Yeah, put your gloves on. This is, it's sharp metal.
You should have gloves on too.
All right, in a minute.
See, this is the filler neck. I gotta get the rest of the filler neck, because that goes from in here up on top of the rear body panel. And you take that cap off, the filler neck goes in there, into the trunk and out of this hole. I have the filler neck, it's just a rubber hose, it's shot. I want to get a new one. I mean, I did all this, I might as well, you know.
Can you eyeball where the center is? Okay, you're good.
Did we grab nuts for the studs?
You didn't.
No. Can you hold?
Okay, take it back.
All right, guess what?
What?
What nuts am I going to use? Dorman.
Yeah.
That looks like a 3/8. Hold on. 3/8. Am I good or what? Beautiful. I can just taste it.
Good.
Oh boy.
Okay. Try to eyeball the center. Okay, mine started. See how fast with the light?
See, there's supposed to be a rubber strap that goes in between here, so it's not metal to metal. But I didn't order those yet, so I'll order those. I got to take this back out to wire it anyway, so
Yeah, it'll be
we'll
fine.
do that all. All right, for now, that'll be okay.
So what's next?
Next, I gotta tell you these bolts back here. So this is just to fit it in. I'm gonna take it back out to put the rubber straps that go in between here so it's not metal to metal. I gotta get a wiring harness so I can connect my sending unit, and I gotta put my filler neck in because the rubber hose is shot. So I gotta replace that.
Right. And you do it all at the same time. Since
Right.
you're gonna take it down, as soon as you get the wiring harness, once you button that in, you just do all the rest of the stuff.
Exactly. This is just to make sure everything's good because I replaced the whole trunk pan. I want to make sure we're good.
Yeah.
Which
This
I knew.
way there's no surprise at the last minute. You might even have to just unscrew everything and let it hang a little. You might even be able to sneak your hands up on top of the sending unit.
Yeah.
I mean,
even that might be
yeah,
okay.
you might.
I mean, I can
kind of get in there now.
Yeah, and then from there I'll run all my fuel lines all the way to the front.
Right.
You know?
And that's it.
And that's
baby.
the fuel setup.
That's how to do it. Here you
You
go.
know?
That's right. To be continued. Fuel system, 68 Camaro, taking over the world.
One said it to be continued fuel systems on the 68 Camaro door gas tanks and fuel straps and sending unit.
At a time.
At a time. Oh man.
At a time.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.